I'd like to talk a little bit more about why OMRON uses EtherCAT as our machine network. So EtherCAT is essentially our machine device level network that we use. So it's built in as standard on our PLCs, on our inverter drives, we use it for our remote I/O, our vision controllers, and things like our IO-Link masters. EtherCAT's a great choice for us because one, it allows us to have a large number of devices or nodes on there. Typically you'll probably have 100 plus on an EtherCAT network, although the network could theoretically support well over 65,000. It's also a very fast network, so it has a cycle time of approximately 100 milliseconds. One of the other big advantages we have with EtherCAT is it has a real-time clock. So that allows us to have very, very fast synchronization if we're connecting things like, say, servo motors or tension control. Finally, the other big advantage with EtherCAT is in terms of the wiring. Now, obviously, being an Ethernet-based network, essentially you're just wiring it up using RJ45 connected patch cable and Ethernet cable, but it allows you to wire it in a number of different topologies. You have your standard type, standard topology, where each device comes back into the hub, but we can also support ring topology. So ring topology essentially gives you a bit of redundancy should there be a break in the network somewhere within your factory machine. So if the network is damaged, then essentially just route around the other side, keeping all of your devices clean. If you'd like to know more, please visit our website at industrial.omron.co.uk, or you can have a look at the white paper that's linked below.